right. Act right, don't act like. Big fake, you never bust my thing. Yeah, I get money, yeah, you know that king. Flashy and fly, yeah, you know my thing. Yeah, and these niggas wanna hate on the thing. Fuck 'em. They wasn't with us in the first place. Most niggas know if I make the phone call, everything's a go, go, go. Yeah, car used to be a used to. I can take a hit, I can take a loss, but I can't take this fuck boys. Act like they ass.
That was my man, Fetchy. We're gonna keep that energy rolling. The Royce the Peel.
Make a bit more money.
Yeah.
Our expert Dave is going to show us how to improve the attic ventilation. Here you can see how it's hammering Jones's house. Did you
Hello.
know that nearly half
I need you
of
to drive me somewhere.
utility bills go towards
God, man, I'm watching Make My House a Home.
I'll text you where I am.
Who was that?
Royston just rang me to tell me about this 1 a.m. 90% off sale at Trumpet and Horn Music Shop. He wants me to go down there and collect some stuff up for the band.
Isn't he moving to America though?
Yeah, but he'll be back. I don't know, what about me? Maybe I want to go solo. And how can I miss the bargain of 90% off a trumpet, babe?
You don't play trumpet.
Well, maybe I want to learn.
Are you lying to me?
Babe, come on, my little blackberry. Come here. Listen, I'm gonna go check out this bargain quickly, all right? You carry on watching the show. I'm not gonna be long. Just let me know what the bungalow's saying. I'll be back soon as possible, all right, babe? You look nice and pretty. Just stay there.
Said I can't be held responsible.